Looking to keep your workplace fueled and energized? The best coffee maker for office ensures everyone enjoys fresh, delicious brews throughout the day. Designed for convenience, speed, and quality, it's the perfect solution for busy teams needing their caffeine fix. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Keurig K-Duo Office Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Duo Office Coffee Maker is a versatile brewing solution that meets the diverse coffee preferences found in any busy office. Designed to brew both K-cup pods and ground coffee, it gives employees the flexibility to enjoy their favorite brands or blends. With Keurig's multi-stream technology, this coffee maker evenly saturates the grounds to extract full flavor and aroma in every cup, whether hot or iced. The Brew over Ice feature intelligently adjusts temperature to ensure iced beverages taste bold without watering down too quickly. For those who prefer a stronger flavor, the strong brew setting intensifies the taste, while the extra hot function ensures piping hot single cups for maximum enjoyment. Multiple brew size options, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces for single cups and 6 to 12 cups for carafes, make it ideal for individual coffee breaks or large team gatherings. The included 12-cup glass carafe is thoughtfully designed to limit dripping, keeping the break room clean. One of the biggest time savers is the extra-large 72-ounce shared water reservoir, reducing the need for constant refills, and the front-facing control panel makes brewing selection quick and intuitive. This model's combination of single-serve and carafe brewing means one machine can serve the whole office without taking up excessive space. Number 2. Ninja Brewer Office Coffee Maker. The Ninja Brewer Office Coffee Maker is an excellent choice for offices that value flavor, variety, and convenience in their daily coffee routine. With 2 brew styles, classic for a smooth balanced cup and rich for a stronger, bolder taste, it caters to different coffee preferences without bitterness. The 12-cup glass carafe is perfect for brewing large batches during busy mornings or smaller amounts for slower days. And the hotter brewing technology ensures each pot has optimal flavor through even saturation and precise temperature control. For offices with lighter coffee consumption, the small batch function prevents diluted taste when brewing 1 to 4 cups. The 24-hour programmable delay brew is a standout feature, letting staff set up the coffee maker the day before so hot coffee is ready right on time in the morning. An adjustable warming plate keeps coffee fresh and warm for up to 4 hours, making it perfect for long work sessions or extended meetings. The removable 60-ounce water reservoir makes refilling easy, and the design is user-friendly enough for anyone in the office to operate without fuss. Its sleek look and practical performance make it a functional yet stylish addition to the break room.
Number 3. Ninja Reservoir Office Coffee Maker. The Ninja Reservoir Office Coffee Maker stands out for its exceptional versatility, making it a great fit for workplaces with varied coffee habits. It allows brewing with either coffee grounds or pods, offering the flexibility to enjoy traditional brewing or the convenience of single-serve options. Users can choose from 4 distinct brew styles, classic, rich, over ice, or specialty, to match their preferred taste or drink type. This machine offers an impressive range of brew sizes, from a compact 6-ounce cup to a large 24-ounce serving. And its specialty setting produces a rich coffee concentrate for cafe-style drinks like lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. The built-in fold-away frother transforms milk or milk alternatives into silky foam, expanding the office menu beyond regular coffee. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for smaller break rooms, and the storage drawer helps keep the brew basket or permanent filter neatly stored when not in use. The 56-ounce removable water reservoir is easy to refill, reducing downtime in a busy environment. This model's strength lies in its all-in-one versatility, handling standard coffee, specialty drinks, and iced beverages in one streamlined unit. Number 4. Cuisinart Carafe Office Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart Carafe Office Coffee Maker combines style, reliability, and high-capacity brewing to keep office teams caffeinated all day. This fully automatic coffee machine offers 24-hour programmability, a self-clean function, a 1 to 4 cup setting for smaller brews, and a brew pause feature, so coffee can be poured mid-cycle without mess. Its advanced brewing technology ensures hotter coffee without sacrificing flavor, making every cup satisfying. Brew strength control allows users to choose between regular and bold flavors, accommodating varying taste preferences. The gold tone coffee filter and charcoal water filter help maintain purity and taste, ensuring consistently great results. With its 12-cup capacity, measured at approximately 5 ounces per cup, this coffee maker easily handles busy mornings and meeting breaks. The backlit LCD display is easy to read, and an optional ready alert tone signals when brewing is complete. A handy indicator light lets users know when it's time to clean, simplifying maintenance in an office setting. Its stainless steel and black finish fits nicely into most break room aesthetics, and its straightforward controls mean anyone can operate it with ease.
Number 5. Cuisinart Reservoir Office Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart Reservoir Office Coffee Maker offers single-serve convenience with the versatility to brew from coffee pods or freshly ground beans. It supports 3 serving sizes, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, making it perfect for individual coffee breaks in a busy workplace. Its compact design makes it a space-efficient addition to smaller break areas, while still offering high-quality brewing performance. A great office coffee maker keeps teams energized, productive, and happy. Whether you want single-serve speed, full carafe capacity, or specialty drink options, these top picks deliver flavor, convenience, and reliability. Choose the model that fits your workplace best and enjoy the perfect cup together, fueling collaboration, creativity, and success with every freshly brewed sip.